We're going to fix where our gauges don't always work. It's pretty easy. See now our gauges, you moved it, the gauges don't work and the lights don't work. Gone again. Not just because of me moving it, I got it loose already, but this happens all the time. 2004 Yukon Denali, pull it out. Your turn signals will work, your check engine light will work, your mileage will work, but nothing else. No gauges or lights in the background. So we're going to have to go after the orange and the pink. There's a blue clip you're going to have to remove out. It just pops out. I have it here. Can I get it in there? See, you can figure kind of how it pops out. There you go. Just move the sides. That pops out. You're going to have to get your, you might be able to use a flattened out, ground down paper clip if you want. Or you're just going to have to get your pin removal tool kit. Very common problem. So you have to wheel the wire harness. Top one is how you remove the clips. Bottom one is for where the pins and the speedometer go. So we're going to pull this out. See, the pin is here. The release, you can see the metal on the side. So we're going to go to the right of there. Push this in. Pin comes out. You never mess with the bottom part when you're pulling it out. The bottom part is square, so we're going to squeeze it just a little bit so that it gets stuck with the pin. We're going to push it back in once we get the clip removal tool out. Since we didn't mess with it too bad, it'll come in, hopefully. Let me pause it. Okay, we're going to push it. And then also on this clip, while you're moving the top one, there's a little point here. There's a little piece coming out. That's the tab that lets it release. We're going to push this release tab out a little bit more. We're going to push it in the fourth spot at the top is where it went. Carefully, when we squeeze the bottom part, the little square part, and make sure she goes nice in there. Goes all the way back into there for the most part. You can push it with this too. Make sure she's locked in. So the pink and the orange. Yeah, they're pretty much locked in. Now we're going to put the speedometer back in. Let me pause this. You can just allow a clip tool. Or Harbor Freight might sell one. Or take a paper clip, flatten it down a little bit, and then just file or grind down the end. So it's like a wedge. Stick it in there, pull it out, and there you go. Gauges all work. We don't have to beat on it. And we're going to put the blue clip back in when we're done. We're done now. So just only mess with those two wires, and you're good to go. Take your 10 minutes.